In today's video, I am going to teach you how to duplicate a database in Notion. Duplicating a database is a great way to experiment with views and properties. Create templates or make a safe backup before making big changes. I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to do it. And I'll explain the difference between copying with content and without content so you always pick the right option. First, let's duplicate straight from the page that contains your database. Go to the page where your database lives. Move your cursor over the database title until you see the 6-dot icon appear on the left. Click that 6-dot icon to open a quick menu. Choose Duplicate. Notion will then ask whether you want to duplicate with content or duplicate without content. If you pick with content, you'll get an exact copy that includes all rows, pages, and data, along with the structure, views, filters, and properties. If you choose without content, you'll get the same structure and properties, but the entries will be empty, which is perfect when you want a clean starting point or a reusable template without any existing data. You can also duplicate from the database's full page view. Open the database as a full page so it fills your screen. In the top right corner, click the 3-dot menu from the drop-down. Select Duplicate. Again, you'll see the choice to duplicate with content or without content. Pick the option that fits your goal. Notion will create the copy right away, preserving your views, filters, relations, and rollups, so your setup stays consistent. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, T here is an even faster method on Windows or Linux. Press Ctrl-D on a Mac, press Command+D. Use this when the database page or item is in focus to quickly generate a duplicate. It's the same result as using the menus, just faster once you are comfortable with it. A quick note on choosing the right option: use duplicate with content when you want a sandbox clone for testing or when you need to reuse existing entries. Use duplicate without content when you are standardizing a structure for new projects or teams, and you want the same schema without carrying over old data. That's it with these approaches. You can confidently copy your Notion databases in seconds and keep your workflow tidy and consistent. Thanks for watching.